So what can we do to make money online? Well, we can write the articles and we can put in some affiliate links. Let me show you how this works. Follow each step and there's going to be money for you. Let's go. So first of all, I got to tell you that this is going to work all over the world. You don't have to worry about that. It's simple, it's fast, and it's profitable. First of all, we're going to need TinyWow. Now, TinyWow is a platform which is going to do the writing for you. Of course, you don't have to use this one. You can use ChatGPT as well. I don't like ChatGPT, but it's just powerful. Although this one is really good as well because TinyWow is not so popular. So what do you want to do? You want to click on AI Write once you get in here, and then you just want to go to blog post ideas. Okay, so you have blog post ideas and you have blog outline generator. But of course, as you all know, ChatGPT gives you a lot of information. I don't know why I don't like it, but it's really cool and it is really helpful. So you can ask it anything. So for example, look what I have asked this ChatGPT AI tool. So what are good article ideas for keto? You know, keto diet, it's a pretty popular thing nowadays, and right away ChatGPT gave me 10 of these ideas. So you have the science behind the ketogenic diet, understanding how it works. Then you have 5 common mistakes people make when starting the keto diet, and you have 8 more. So what I like to do, I like to just get something intriguing. Okay, so this is really intriguing. So 5 common mistakes people make when starting the keto diet. This is gonna be attractive for people because they're afraid of doing something wrong. Okay, so these kind of articles are gonna get read by a lot of people because simply people don't want to make mistakes. They're afraid, and that's exactly what is gonna help us to achieve our goal today, which is to make money, right? Now, first of all, I'm going to show you the traffic source for today's strategy, and it's called livejournal.com. Now, basically, this is like social media platform, just like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, but these guys and girls in here, they just share the blog posts. Okay, so they share the blog posts and articles, and they like that on this webpage. So it's a really good one, and it has been visited by a lot of people during the month, so you can be sure that your articles are gonna get seen. And of course, the more your article gets seen, the more money you can get, right? So let's actually take one of these ideas that ChatGPT gave us. So I'm going to take 5 common mistakes people make when starting a keto diet. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to ask ChatGPT, write me an article. Actually, I misspelled that. So an article on the following. So I'm just going to do it like that. Hit that enter key and I'm going to get myself an article, really good one. And I can make money with it. So until it is done, I'm just going to go and make a strategy. You have to make yourself an account on LiveJournal. That is done easily by clicking on join free and then just completing this simple information about yourself, username, email, password, or you can just use Google account. That's going to be way faster. Now you can see, do you want to receive email notifications? I don't like this one. I click on no, save and proceed, and then I can post new entry in here. So when you click on post new entry, you will be redirected to make a title about this one. Of course, you can just copy and paste the title that ChatGPT gave us. You go back, you copy and paste that idea, so 5 common mistakes people make when starting the keto diet, copy that, and then paste that as a title. So for this, of course, you take the body of this article, you just select the whole article, just take a look at this really good one, really long one, copy this, and go back and then just paste that in here. Now, what I like about this one is that you can as well add some pictures. So you can add a lot of pictures if you want. You just have to choose one for yourself. You can, of course, find some free pictures on Pixabay, which are copyright free. You can just go and type, for example, keto, and it's going to give you all these like keto meals. So for example, bacon and eggs, that's really good for fat loss. So you can just click on the free download, click on the download button, and of course it is free. You don't have to pay for it. Click on the download, complete the CAPTCHA if it asks you, and you're done. But now we want to add some money inside of this, okay? Because LiveJournal is not gonna pay us. For that, I'm gonna use Digistore24, and I like this one because they have a lot of offers and they give really good commissions. So register real quick, make yourself an account, you know how to do it, and let's log in inside. Now, when you log in inside of this web page, head over to Marketplace and then head over to all offers on the affiliate marketplace. That's what you got to do. And then right off the bat, you can find this one, okay? The ultimate keto meal plan for you. So what you want to do is you want to promote this link. You can just copy this link, which is inside of here, and then you want to paste that link here. So whenever you make a sale, you will get a commission. But of course, you don't want to paste the link like this. So you can just make it like this. So in between all of these paragraphs, you can firstly add a picture. So this is the picture that we have downloaded from Pixabay, but I want to add a bit of a text in here. So I'm just gonna type like this: keto meal plan for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it like that, and I'm gonna position this in the center. Okay, and now I'm just gonna select this one, and this bar will appear, and you see this one, this is the link. So we're gonna make this sentence into a link so people can actually have an easier time on clicking on it. So you can just click on the link, and now you just have to paste that link. Actually, I pasted the wrong one, so I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna copy this link, go back in here, click on link once again, paste that, and now whenever someone clicks on it, that's it. Okay, so this is now a link. You see, now it is a blue color. So whenever someone clicks on it, let me actually click on it. Well, the people are going to get redirected to this webpage, which is going to serve them to buy the product. And guys, for every sale, you are getting $25 for yourself. Okay, so that's $25, and that's a really good amount of money if you ask me. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of sales simply because keto is a really popular thing. Weight loss is a popular thing, and you can take advantage of it and, of course, make a lot of money with it. Of course, when you're done with this article, I want you to go and I want you to copy this and paste that in between all of these paragraphs. Okay, so paste that, make it visible, paste on a lot of places. And of course, once you're done, click on tune in and publish and click on the publish button. Your article is going to get seen by a lot of people simply because of this. LiveJournal.com has 95 million total visits. Okay, so that's a lot of traffic for one website. So a lot of people are going to see it, and in turn, a lot of people are going to buy that article, and you're going to get $25 for each one of those sales. One more option, which I suggest, is that you use Quora.com, because Quora has a lot of traffic as well, and you can search Quora for keto diet, and you will get a lot of these questions. So you can see, what is the keto diet? Is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss? What are the benefits of a keto diet? What is a good keto meal plan? Is keto diet safe? So what you can do is you can go into all of these questions and you can paste a bit of that article that ChatGPT made you, and of course put your affiliate link inside of this. A lot of people are going to see that, and a lot of people are going to click on it, and big majority is going to buy the product, and you're going to get that money. So my suggestion, follow this, guys, do the steps correctly, and there's going to be good money for you. So just go and do it, take the action, and I'll catch you.